up, YouTube? I have not uploaded in a while, but I got some good news. First, like and subscribe, please. Second, so we're putting an upload schedule in place so that we can have daily uploads. With me and Ed, and Unruly is not included in the upload schedule. Unruly just uploads whenever Unruly wants to. But me and Ed are gonna try to incorporate an upload schedule. So, me, I upload on Monday. Ed uploads on Tuesday. Okay, this weekend I'm gonna upload Sunday and Saturday. And I'm also gonna upload Monday. Well, okay. Usually, Ed will upload Saturday, I'll upload Sunday, and I'll upload Monday. So I have more upload days than him, but only one more, because it's an uneven amount of days. But here's how it goes. Monday is Trench, Tuesday is Ed, Wednesday Trench, Thursday Ed, Friday Trench, Saturday Ed, Sunday Trench, and Monday Trench. So yeah. But this weekend is going to be Saturday, Sunday, and Monday Trench. But then Tuesday, hopefully Ed will upload. This is my first time playing. I'm actually kind of bad at this. Alright, let me automatic. How are they even doing that? How do you get these guns? I want a different gun, but guys, I'm probably gonna be so bad at this game. I'm not even joking. Please let me get someone, please, 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 please. I just want some money to get a new gun. I'm lagging, bro. Oh, what? Alright. So yeah, daily uploads. Yeah, guys. We're trying to reach 100 subs by January. Please share our channel. Like, we're actually trying to improve our channel now. Oh yes, 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 yes. I'm getting kills. I'm getting kills. Let's go. Shoot. At least I did something. Okay, these are a lot more expensive than what I'm getting. But at least I'm trying. Okay, that was my first 2 kills at once. So, shoot, shoot, shoot. Is that what we're doing? Just throwing paint in the air and hoping it hits someone? Because I'm with that. Okay. Okay, hold on. Let's see if I can snipe someone with this freaking default gun. Also, soon I'm gonna upload update my recording equipment so that I will have a better mic, better all of that, better video quality. Dude, bro, why is this the same dude? Alright, hold on. I feel like I'm gonna kill this guy. This guy is just getting in my way and I don't like it. Yep, let's go, let's go. Yep, I'm killing this guy too. Yes, yes, yes! Dang it. Of course this guy has to snipe me. I'm trying to get this money up, or get my money up. I don't even know what radar does, but I activated it. Oh shoot, what? And I have a bunch of ideas, video ideas, that I'm also going to share with Ed. Because Yeah. Yeah, she's not killing me, boy. So, I'm not killing you either, but at least I didn't die. Let's go. No, no. Dang it. Alright, I'm almost to my goal. I'm almost to my amount of money that I need. I might upload a part 2 of this, so it might be a double upload. Or I might save to upload the part 2 tomorrow, but I might record all of it today so that I will have a good upload schedule. Because on my computer I actually have videos that I have not uploaded. I have like about 2 or 3. So yeah, like sometimes I just record the videos, but I just don't get to uploading them. Or I think I have more than 2 or 3. I think I have like about 5. Also, guys, shout out to my league. Me and Ed are starting a league. We will make a video on it. I will make a video on it soon, maybe. So, alright. Yeah, soon. Maybe on Monday. Maybe Monday's video will be. Monday's video will be the thing. I have to write that down. Hold on. Alright. Yep. Locked in. Alright. Yeah. So you guys can expect on probably Monday, maybe Sunday, maybe Tuesday, or Wednesday. Because Wednesday is my next day. After Monday. So anyways, you guys can just expect soon a video explaining our league, how you can get in it, all that. Me and Ed are the owners of it. I'm going to do a little explaining on it here, so you guys aren't completely left in the dark, but yeah. I might even put the link to the league in the description of this video. But basically, me and Ed are the owners of the league. It's a football league. We will be starting a basketball league soon, but not yet. Right now, it's a football league, and it's still in the works. We're still working on all the scripting. But we already have the stadium and the practice stadium. And we're trying to start having our games by next week, or maybe the week after that. But definitely before the end of... either before the end of this month or before the end of next month. But definitely soon. We're working on it. I'm the main builder of the game. And I'm also a coach, but Ed is also a coach. I thought I killed him for a second. Oh, shoot. I'm really not hitting him. I really was not hitting him. I was really so trapped right then. Like, I was trying to move my mouse, but it wasn't, like, moving that much. And I really just didn't kill him. You're about to die. Yeah. What the heck, bro? I suck at this game. I'm trying. Please. Oh! How do they even be doing that? Honestly. How do you, like, okay, hold on. I'm not gonna do that. Honestly, I need a gun. I need a better gun, bro. Why is this same dude? Hold on. He's camping and I'm about to kill him. Cause it's that same dude every time, so. Why is it always... They're such campers, bro. I hate this game because it's filled with campers. Oh, this is a camper. This is a camper. How did he kill me if he's dead? Bro. This game confuses me, bro. Oh, I get it. He has a sentry gun. Kill the sentry gun. It's on our side. Kill the sentry gun, bro. How do I get a sentry gun? Stop putting down sentry guns. You're such a... That's all this kid knows how to do. I'm put down a sentry gun. Like, bro. Like, it's annoying. He's not even good either. He just comes, puts down a sentry gun, and thinks that that's like the best he could do. How do you even get sentry guns? He coming back to put a sentry gun. No. He coming back to put a sentry gun. Kill him. I'm not just gonna bet there's already a sentry gun. Yo, what? At least I tagged him. What is going on with my video? It's like... Sorry, I'm confused. I got a sentry. I'm about to put the sentry down. If I know how to. How do I... Oh, okay. Dang it, bro. His sentry is killing me before I can put my sentry. Someone, let's go. Sentry. Alright, I got my sentry down. I'm ready to kill everyone here. Especially now with my sentry. He launched a nuke. Ah, chill. Oh, man. That was crazy. Bro, hold on. Alright. I'm so tired. This dude got 123 tags, and that's dead. Honestly, we could do a free for all. Let's do it, bro. Let's just do it, man. Jump right. So that I got. Then I come on. Oh, alright, let's go.